Assistant Electoral Registration Officer, Section 13C of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Commission. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the provision of staff to commission by government and power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 13C of the RP Act 1950. Provisions and Constitution. Article 324 of Constitution says, superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Commission. Its point 1 is about preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election, and that is to be done by the Commission. Point 6 says, President and Governor to provide staff for functions conferred on Commission. Article 327, it says, power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950 and the RP Act 1951. Part 2 of RP Act 1950 is about officers, and the Section 13C comes under the Part 2A, that is officers. Part 2A deals with the appointment of various officers who shall deal with the electoral roll and also about their deemed deputation to the Commission. Section 13C is about Assistant Electoral Registration Officers. Its subsection 1 says, the Election Commission may appoint one or more persons as Assistant Electoral Registration Officers to assist any ERO in the performance of his functions. Subsection 2 is about every Assistant Electoral Registration Officer shall, subject to the control of the Electoral Registration Officer, be competent to perform all or any of the functions of the Electoral Registration Officer. So the Article 324 of the Constitution is about the Election Commission of India, about the electoral roll, and it also talks about the staff to be provided to the Commission. Article 327 has given power to the Parliament to frame laws related to the election, and because of this, the Parliament has framed the RP Act 1950. And the Section 13C of RP Act 1950 talks about the Assistant Electoral Registration Officers, that is AEROs. AEROs will assist the EROs in the performance of their functions. AEROs should be appointed on full-time basis in such a manner that an AERO should not be assigned more than 3,000 forms during the period of special summary revision. If an ERO is assigning the function of disposal of claims and objection to AEROs in accordance with the Section 13C of RP Act 1950, then also such a delegation of powers to AERO shall not absolve the ERO of his responsibility of ensuring a defect-free electoral roll. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 13C of RP Act 1950, which talks about the Assistant Electoral Registration Officers. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.